Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use the voice zoom and enhance dialogues on your SONY KD-43X TV. If the dialogues in your movie or TV series sound way too quiet for you, you can press the wrench button on your remote control, find the sound settings on this list and open them. Then go to Sound Customization menu, and here you'll find the Dialog Enhancer, which is the same option as the voice zoom in some other models. All you have to do to increase the dialog's sound level is select this option and then move the slider to a couple of points to the right, and this will emphasize the voice of the characters or the commentary if you're watching sports. And so that's basically how we do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.